Hello and welcome to another C++ video. In this video, I'm going to be looking at C++ functions. A function is a block of code that performs a task. Groups of statements are grouped under a function that runs only when called. You can pass data into functions using parameters or arguments. Functions allow us to reuse multiple lines of code with ease. The syntax for creating a function in C++ is as follows. First, we write the data type of the function. In this case, it is void. Void means that the function will return nothing after execution. Then follows the function name and parentheses, and then the body of the function within curly braces. You will notice that when I run this code, nothing happens. This is because functions need to be called in order to be executed. Here is our function call. We can call this function as many times as we wish. Functions need to be defined before they are called. So if we were to define this function before the main function, the function call would be here and the function definition would be below it. So we'd be asking the compiler to call a function that doesn't exist yet. Remember, C++ code is read from right to left, starting with line 1 going downwards. In order to call a function defined below the main function, we need to use a function prototype. We need to declare the function before defining it. This allows the compiler to scan our code for the function definition before executing the rest of the source code. Another thing to note about function is that they alter the execution of our code. We already know that execution begins in the main function, but when a function is called, execution breaks to the body of the function called. After the entire function is executed, we get back to the main function and continue execution. Now let's talk about arguments and parameters. A parameter is a variable listed within a function definition. This represents data required for the function to execute. An argument is the actual value passed into the function. Functions are used in the functional programming paradigm, a programming paradigm where programs consisted of pure functions. Learn more about functional programming in this video explaining programming paradigms, or watch this other video on the history of programming languages. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and as always, have a good one.